you say?
I said, because of them, we carry box just for kids.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. And it has all the history in here and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And stickers. And a notebook.
And yes.
Look at that letter. Who's that letter from?
This?
Mm-hmm.
Dear young leader, I'm excited about having you having this because of them we can box for kids. I hope that the lessons about great black leaders ignite or rekindle the greatness that's in you. My parents, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and Coretta Scott King. She's what?
Yeah, keep reading.
They were great leaders whose commitment to making our society better continues to inspire people throughout the world. In his most famous speech, I Have a Dream, my father said, I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. This wasn't just his dream for his children, including me. Love, justice, and peace. Love, justice, and peace were actually parts of my father's dream for all children.
Who's it from? The bottom.
Sincerely, Bernice A. King, CEO.
It's all that. Pretty cool, huh?
How did you get this?
From the company because of them.
Bernice called us.
Bernice called
She
us.
said, my
That's
father
pretty
had a
cool,
dream
right?
that you would have that.
But do you know her?
Yeah.
You
Call her Auntie Bernice.
Auntie Bernice.
Auntie Bernice.
No, but she wanted to make sure she included something in this box. So because of them, we can't remember how we went on the news with me and we talked about them. So now they have a box for kids. So what else is in the box?
A 2018 calendar.
Let me see the front. Nice. Nice. And you had a lapel. There should be something else in there. What's on the pin?
Because of them, we can.
Nice. So look on the, you took something out first. It was like a lanyard.
Oh.
Yep. So you put the pin on the lanyard.
Oh.
That's your medal. You won.